Alright, I am actually recording. I think I didn't have my speaker plugged in, or I mean my mic plugged in that entire time. Whatever. In case I didn't, I'll show the bike. Oh, welcome back to Biker Baron. Here we are. Lots of changes I made. Put the number plate, doesn't have a number, but it is a number plate. And then I have the light bar on there. Hooked it all up. Kind of incredible. I'm basically a mechanic. It's been a while since I rode around, but it's a nice day. Alright, car, you got this. Just make the right turn. Just make it right after this blue car. If the blue car doesn't speed up, then you won't have time, but... And... Turn! Turn! Oh my gosh. You freaking moron. Freaking hecker. Oh my goodness. He's not an aggressive driver, that's alright. Alright, you got it. Is that enough time for you? Mic is plugged in. Check. Videoing, check. Both pockets are zipped shut. Check. It's not a straight line at all. I mean, look at that. I gotta look all the way to the side to find the light. Inconvenient. Oh shoot, they're making a bridge there. I've always wondered what they were doing there. I never actually looked. I've never driven this way, ever. I'm somehow gonna find something that I know. I always do. Funny how roads are connected to other roads, isn't it? Legit, see, look, now it says I'm on empty. I just filled it up. Oh. It'd be nice to have a gas gauge that actually worked. Yeah, it's like a really beautiful road, right? If I took it right. But the thing is, it's really hilly. And this bike is not a hill climber. Well, I just found this very swervy road. Didn't look like it was going to be really swervy. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. I'm so going to get lost. Oh, my forehead is itching. Give me a second. That's better. Under my nose is itching. Oh, everything. Oh, everything itches constantly. Alright, time to get low again. See, look, there they are. These are the guys that they... Wait, are these are... I already saw these people, yeah. It's a squad. Honestly, I should just turn around and squat up with them. Never really thought about that, but I feel like I'm gonna get rear-ended while doing that sometime. I'm not gonna think about it, and then I'm just gonna do it. Still can't believe this road's speed limit is 30 miles per hour. Usually people are like going double that on here. Stupidest thing ever. Oh! Oh! Oh, she's a speed demon. What's over here? I'm gonna do it. Does this road even lead anywhere? Because this just looks like a driveway. Oh, this doesn't. See if this bike can even make it up here. This is a dope road. Too much speed. I've never been on this road.